portable air conditioners work by removing moisture from the air to cool your space. This process creates condensation that must be properly drained to prevent leaks and maintain efficiency. When warm, humid air passes over the cold evaporator coils inside your portable AC, water vapor condenses into liquid water. This is the same process you see when water droplets form on a cold glass. This condensed water needs to be managed through one of three methods: collection in an internal tank, drainage through a hose, or automatic evaporation back into the air. Here's an example of a portable AC with a drain hose setup. Notice how the hose should be secured with a clamp to prevent disconnection. When your portable AC isn't draining properly, there are four main culprits. According to Morris Support, these basic issues account for 80% of all leak complaints. First, a full condensate tank. When the internal water collection tank reaches capacity, water has nowhere to go and will overflow, causing leaks around the unit. Second, the unit not being level. Even a slight tilt of just 3 to 5 degrees can cause water to pool in the wrong areas and leak out of the unit. Third, a clogged air filter. This is responsible for 35% of all leaks because dirty filters reduce the unit's ability to evaporate condensation efficiently. Fourth, high humidity can overwhelm the system. When humidity levels are consistently above 60%, your portable AC may produce more water than it can handle through normal evaporation. Newer models, like those from Morris, incorporate smart evaporation technology to minimize manual draining needs. These systems automatically adjust evaporation rates based on humidity conditions. Before calling for service, start with these three basic checks that solve 80% of drainage problems. Is the tank full? Is the unit level? Is the air filter clean? Understanding these fundamentals will help you quickly identify and resolve most drainage issues with your portable air conditioner, keeping it running efficiently and leak-free. First, check your condensate tank. The tank must be properly seated and not overflowing. Many drainage issues start with simple tank problems. Next, inspect your drain hose. The hose should connect to the correct port and be free of kinks, clogs, or disconnections. Proper hose installation is critical for drainage. For continuous drainage, pierce a small 2 mm hole about 5 centimeters down the hose. This prevents an airtight seal that can block proper drainage. For advanced issues, clear internal drain lines using compressed air or a thin brush. This removes stubborn clogs that basic cleaning cannot reach. Inspect the condensate pump and float switch for proper operation. The float switch controls when the pump activates, and both components must work together correctly. Ensure your condensate drain system is properly configured. A U-shaped trap and proper venting are essential for effective drainage. Regular maintenance is crucial. Clean filters every 2 weeks during peak usage and schedule annual professional maintenance. This prevents most drainage problems before they occur. If humidity consistently exceeds 60%, consider using a dehumidifier alongside your air conditioner. High humidity can overwhelm your unit's drainage capacity.